Hello everyone, welcome back to Somonul Art, where we dive into digital art and terrain generation. Today we're exploring a basic but powerful node in Gaea, the SlopeNoise Node. Whether you're a complete beginner or brushing up on your skills, this tutorial will help you understand how to manipulate terrain using slope noise to achieve realistic effects. Let's get started. Where can we find the SlopeNoise Node? It's going to be right here under Primitives in our lower left side. We're going to look for slope noise. And there it is right there. We'll just click that and drag that into our graph. And there we go. Let's get a better view of this. Alright, our default looks pretty cool. Slope noise is essential for adding naturalistic details to your terrain. It simulates erosion and sediment patterns based on slope calculations, giving you control over how rugged or how smooth your landscape appears. There's not too much to this node, only a few properties, but we'll cover them all. And the first property we have is scale. The scale property adjusts the size of the noise pattern. Larger values will make the noise cover a broader area, which is perfect for vast landscapes, while smaller values focus on fine details. The next property we have is displacement. Displacement controls how much noise affects the terrain's elevation. Increasing this value will create more pronounced terrain features, whereas a lower setting results in more subtler changes. The next property we have is direction. This setting allows you to control the direction of the noise pattern. You can align the noise with the terrain features like mountains or valleys to enhance their appearance or create interesting effects. The next property we have is stratified. By checking this option, you enable a layered noise effect. Stratified noise adds horizontal layers to your terrain, mimicking sedimentary rock formations or snow layers on mountaintops. And finally, the last property, seed. The seed property changes the randomization pattern of the noise. Altering the seed can dramatically change the appearance of your terrain, which is useful for finding the perfect look for your project. I think we'll go with this one. So now that we've discussed all the properties, let's play around with them for a little bit and see what we can come up with. Add a little bit more displacement to this. Lower the scale down just a little bit, nothing too crazy. I'm liking that a lot. Let's see what it looks like with stratified. That is so crazy. Stratified would pair up great with the erosion node. This is beautiful, but I'm going to uncheck it. I think I'm pretty happy with this. And that wraps up our look at the SlopeNoise Node in Gaea. We've covered everything from scale and displacement to directional control and stratification. Experiment with these settings and see how they transform your digital landscapes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest tutorials. Have questions or want to see more about a particular feature in Gaea? Drop a comment below. Next time we'll tackle another exciting node that will help elevate your terrain designs. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. Happy terraforming, my friends.